Hey guys, it's Tim, Power Concrete. I want to make a video today about effectively cleaning with a Lowe's Surfacemaxx surface cleaner. You can see it there. First of all, I modified this cleaner. I put some 40-degree tips in it, and put a few spacers on the wheels. It keeps it up off the ground a little bit, keeps it from streaking. But the main thing, guys, you gotta pre-treat your concrete. On something like this, I'm pushing it with a 2.5 gallon a minute machine. You're not gonna do much. You're gonna streak everything if you try without pre-treatment. You gotta put some SH down, get it all cleaned up. And I would say before buying one of these, I'd go grab one of these throwaways from Ace Hardware. I mean, they do a better job without having to modify them. And that's $70. This is $150, and I had to put $30 worth of tips in it just to get it not to streak. That's about it, guys. You gotta pre-treat and you have to post-treat. It's one of these streaks that you post-treat. But that's like I said, that's a Craftsman pressure washer pushing it. It does a good job if you do it right. Now I'll try to get a little video for you guys. Like I said, guys, you gotta pre-treat, gotta post-treat, and also rinse it. You know, you gotta rinse it first, get it all wet. If you pre-treat dries up on you, try to wet it down. It makes a big difference. If you like this video, like and subscribe. I'm gonna try to make a few more of these. Try to get a little channel going. Appreciate it. Y'all have a blessed day.